Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my...
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. It is still Vlogmas. I'm so sorry that I pulled back from Vlogmas. Some things happened in my personal life. Harlem wants to say hey. Say hey, Harlem. Say hello. But yeah, I'm so sorry for pulling back, guys. Like, some things just came up in my personal life that I just felt it was better to pull back than to keep uploading. So I'm now back in New York, but today I have some cleaners on the way. I have a TaskRabbit. Well, the cleaners I did initially meet from TaskRabbit, but you know, I really liked them and they said that they would, you know, let's continue business off. So he's on the way over here. I like the way that he cleaned you know, my bathrooms and stuff the last time. So he's on the way here. And then I have another TaskRabbit because I need to finally get the pink bar stools like fully put together, and I need the mirrors in my bedroom mounted. But I just really want like my home to be clean. I want to smell good, and I came home to a mess of an apartment. Like, I need to take out the trash. For some reason I went grocery shopping. I didn't put up groceries. I have dishes. I have boxes. I have, I don't know, like stuff. And I don't know. I just want everything to be clean. Like, I did laundry. You know it's messed up when you do laundry and you don't even put the laundry up. You just put it, yeah. And then I just go over to the pile and shuffle through. So I don't know, my place has really been stressing me out, so I just felt like, let's fix it. Say hey, Harlem. Let's fix it. Let's fix everything up. Let's do laundry. My recording room and my closet room, just because I've been traveling so much, like, I don't even want to show you guys, but I'm going to show you guys. So here we are. Like, I don't even know what's in these bins, to be freaking honest with you, but it's just a mess. I even broke a light. Like, I literally was like rushing to my flight, broke the light. Makeup brushes need to be washed. Like, what is going on in here? So I feel like until my place is fully organized, I know I won't be able to get everything done, but I also want to go through clothes and stuff. Like, it's just a lot of stuff. And then like this closet, I have multiple closets that it's just stuff. So little by little, Jayla, little by little. And I just decided that I would record for you guys. And the one thing that is clean, because I just can't take it, is my room. I mean, it's just, you know, it's just my room. And those lights are going to be put, I mean, not lights, lamps. I mean, what is this? Mirrors are going to be put up. But, yeah, I have suitcases here, and I need to empty them out. Laundry, more clothes, because I was packing and these are clothes I didn't bring to LA, so I need to get this together. So I guess let's start. I also, while I was in LA, I upgraded my phone, so I have the new phone. I have the new phone, and I got a new phone case, the one with the little, you know, piece on the back so you can hold it like this. I upgraded my phone for the camera quality, actually, but that's about it. It's the exact same. I just transferred everything over to this one. Oh, I did get my hair cut. My hair, I need to recurl it. I had some like messy waves in, but I have a bob now. I wanted something, you know, quick and easy for the holidays. Me and Harlem are going to be driving to my dad's house. We're going to my dad's house. You gonna see Grandpa. You gonna see Grandpa. Harlem was just looking in the mirror, barking at himself. What were you barking at? You forgot how you looked? Did you forget what you looked like? Did you forget what you look like? Yes, I really don't know who can put this wallpaper up, but I can't do it. And on TaskRabbit, I don't know. I can't find anybody. So the guy that's coming over, I'm gonna see if he can do it. Maybe he can, maybe he can't. I don't know.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Alright guys, my house is finally clean and the bar stools, the pink bar stools, are back in action. They're sturdy. I had to take them away for a little bit because the legs, I had to have somebody else come put them together. The plates are down, dishes are washed, everything's wiped down. Oh my god, floors are clean. I'm excited. So you guys know I was getting wallpapers put up and installed. This wall is going to be silver. I need some more of these, but it actually takes a while. But the one over here is halfway finished. Dun, 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 dun. Look guys, I wanted a pink accent wall. I decided that the pink accent wall will look best over here. I got the mirror finally put up and I think it is perfect. Let me get some light. I'm super happy with the wall. Now the wall is not finished. The wall is not finished. I literally just need not even a whole roll, but I'm gonna get one more roll so the guy can come back and finish this. And when he comes back, he is going to do this wall over here with the silver paper. So this is what the silver looks like. It has, you know, shiny silver on it, and then the background, the base is like gray. So I think that's gonna look really pretty over here. It's gonna blend in with the speakers. And then I want to get 2 paintings to go right here. Something sparkly, something with silver in it. I don't know, but this wall is gonna have painting. So I'm super excited about the wallpaper. What do you guys think? I think my vision of my home is coming together. I know some of you guys couldn't really see the vision, but I think it is like very much coming together. I love that this mirror is up now so I can see my full body when I'm getting ready. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then this goes perfectly. This is just, I throw stuff in here. You know, you need hiding spaces in your home. But this kind of goes really good right here. And it's still very much a lot of walk room. And when I'm doing laundry and stuff, I can like kind of sit and do laundry. So I think I'm going to keep it right here. And once Christmas is over, I'm going to keep this Christmas tree. I have room in this home to keep a tree. So I have the box still. But I don't actually know exactly what I want to have over here once the Christmas tree is gone. So, give me ideas. I have no clue. And then the last thing that he mounted was the mirrors in my bedroom. Oh, this room is clean now. I know this was supposed to be like a clean with me, but yeah, we got this together, and yeah, everything is just clean, and I just feel like, you know, woosah. So these two mirrors are up. I haven't found like a wallpaper or a color paint that I really like to be in here, so I don't know if I'm just gonna leave it plain or what I'm gonna do, but I'm super happy with how this looks with the mirrors now up, and yeah, everything's just freaking clean, except this one room over here. That one, I still have like my suitcases in there. What else do I have in there? I have like 3 pink bar stools because they sent me new ones because the legs were wobbly. It was literally me though. It was the people who put it together. The guy came, he was like, yeah, you just needed to tighten the skirts or something. And I was like, oh. So I'm going to be looking at some sites to put my silver bar stools and the 3 other pink ones that I have up on the site. And what else do I have in there that I need to get rid of? Something. It's just a lot of stuff in there. When I come back, so now that my place is clean, I feel like you have to have a clean place to go through stuff and detox and get rid of. But definitely for January 1st, I want to go through all these clothes. I want to do a sweep through and get rid of a lot of stuff. So by January 1st, yeah, I just want to be organized completely, and wallpapers to be. I was going to get a wallpaper for this wall just because, I don't know, I really like accent walls now, just traveling and stuff. Every time I stay in like a really cute Airbnb or a house or something, they just have really cute wallpapers, and I don't know, I just really have been into it. So I might find something for this wall right here. And ooh, a clean house, y'all. Woo-hoo. Everything is clean. Like, I still need the media center. I could do a rug right here. What else could I do? Like, this is bare, this corner is bare. Yeah, but I don't want to rush it, you know. I don't want to just buy something just to put there. I want to be able to really say, I like this piece and I want this piece to go here. So that's why I haven't been rushing the process of finding like a media center, because I want to make sure I find a good one that I actually like. Even like a nice wood color, because, you know, my kitchen area is wood. So I've just been looking around, and you guys have been sending me stuff. Thank you so much. When you guys see stuff that you're like, oh, I think this looks good, thank you guys so much for DMing me and sending me those things. Love you guys. Right now I'm about to do some last minute Christmas shopping, so I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.